In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect the broker to TradeLocker. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to TradeLocker.com, and then up here, you want to click on Start Trading at the top right. And in here, you have to select Find a Broker under Broker Trading. And then once you click on that button, you'll be able to see their list of brokers. Now here, there's brands with TradeLocker, and there's going to be a bunch of them over here. What you can also do is you want to, of course, go up here, and if you have any specific one in mind, but you can't find it, you can go ahead and look up here whether you'll be able to find it or not. Now, if you are able to find it, that's great, but some of them, of course, won't be available because not all of them are partnered with TradeLocker and can actually create accounts to be used on TradeLocker platform. Now, here you can see a bunch of these brokers over here. Some of them have free demos. You can filter them by free demo by clicking up here. And if you actually want to create an account on any of these to then use on TradeLocker, either as a demo account or as a live real account, you can go ahead and create it very simply. You can just select one. So for example, I just created one for this tutorial on blue markets. I'm going to click over here. Then you have to put in your basically sign up details and then click on sign up, and then basically to your email address you will receive your login credentials. Okay, so you can create an account with any of these over here, and then you'll get your credentials to log into TradeLocker and basically trade either with a free demo account on any of these platforms or with a live account. This is going to be, of course, up to you. Now, after you do that, to actually connect your broker to TradeLocker, it's very simple. You want to go to demo.tradelocker.com if you want to connect to a demo account, or you want to go to live.tradelocker.com if you want to create a live account. You can also switch between the two by clicking over here, switch to live, and right now I'm on demo, so if I click on switch to live, it's going to switch me to live. There we go. And then once you're inside the live one, you can switch back to demo if you want to. Now, after you do this over here, as I said, whenever you create your account with a broker, you will receive your login credentials to your email. At least I did when I signed up with Blue Markets. Some of them may have their credentials inside their dashboard on the website of the broker, so go ahead and make sure you Google how to get it or check it out. But usually you should be able to get them onto your email, so make sure you check your emails. Then in here, what you should do is you just want to go ahead and paste the details from the email. So for me, this is going to be my email I signed up with, and then you'll be provided with your password, your account password like this, and then your server as well, which for me is going to be this blue demo one. And then you want to simply click on sign in or log in. So basically, again, make sure you are on the correct one. So if it's demo, be on demo. If it's live, be on the live one, and then press login. And then it's going to start loading, and there we go. My account has now loaded, and this is now TradeLocker, and I can go ahead and start using it using the broker I connected. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.